A Dongjiang Ferrari from the 1990s is actually tucked away in this nearly bankrupt roadside repair shop. The boss's toolbox is scattered inside the wreck. Parts and tools are all over the ground. Can it be fixed? I ask. The boss gives a bitter smile and shakes his head. He can't even gather all the tools needed to fix it. But the next second, his eyes suddenly light up. But this is my childhood dream. Brothers, grab your tools. Let this 3-0-OGT roar again. Now it might look worn out, but this was our childhood love. Let's just do it. Bro, give me a hand. Next, we'll go all in on this. Don't miss a single part. Immense tears. I'm already giving it my all. Bro, you should step up too. The piston's carbon buildup is like coal, and it's worn out. Then we'll rebuild it from scratch. Even the bearings and crankshaft journals are deeply grooved from long-term wear. Rusty and cracked. Basically all scrapped. The valve cover used cheap knockoff paint, causing oil and air leaks. We'll fix it all in one go this time. Engine fully disassembled. Straight into ultrasonic cleaning. Then immediately onto core cylinder work. Onto the machine. After measurement, cylinder wear is severe. Start boring the cylinder. After honing, keep the sleeve first. Then secondary processing. Strictly restore roundness within tolerance. Next, resurface the block. Final step, restore factory oil passages. The engine's fully rebuilt. We can't ignore the transmission. Found heavy rust inside, mixed with sludge, causing friction plate wear. Frequent hard braking or overheating. Damaged brake components, causing slipping in second and fourth gears. Time for a full transmission overhaul kit. Replace all clutch seals. Test air tightness. Key components must also be replaced. Make sure it's done right. All engine parts have arrived. Start assembly. All bolts tightened to standard torque. Mitsubishi EM hydraulic lifters. This valve cover looks a bit rough. Time for some magic. Now that's more like it. Custom side cover. You think we'd settle? Front and rear axles were like this, but with you here, I believe we can bring this scrap back to life. Patching it up only lasts a few years. This time we fix it properly. After dismantling the axles, time for restoration. Remove all rust completely. Then apply anti-rust coating to the chassis. Reinstall chassis and engine.